So would you like to create a successful YouTube channel but without showing your face or without even talking? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to copy and paste videos and create a successful channel, but at the same time bringing in passive income. Guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. Guys, the purpose of this channel is to help you build a successful online business so you guys can achieve financial freedom. That's what happened with me, guys. I worked as an electrical engineer and now I do this full time and I make passive income. So I want to show you exactly how you can do this. I have a ton of methods on how you can make money online. If you guys want to learn more, please subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be coming out with videos almost every single day. So let's go ahead and get started with this method. So guys, first of all, I know when I first started on YouTube, I wanted to create a channel. Like before I even started, I was always so scared to get on video. I didn't want to talk. I didn't want to show my face. I know a lot of you guys watching this video have the same thoughts, right? You want to create a successful YouTube channel, but you don't want to show your face. So I'm going to show you a way that you can get started on YouTube. You can learn the basics, and then hopefully once you learn this, once you start creating a channel, you can actually start showing your face if you want. You never have to do it, but I'm just going to show you. This is how I got started with YouTube. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you kind of how to copy and paste these videos, how to add its own voiceover, and you can start making money with this. I'm going to show you a lot of people making a lot of money. So if we go to youtube.com and we go to Reddit stories, okay, there's a ton of these like stories that people watch. Okay, I'm going to show you what they look like here. But you can see, what dirty secrets do you know about someone? Women share their nice guy experience. Ex-Walmart employees, what are your horror stories? So just these weird stories, okay? I'm going to show you how you can do this as well. Super, super easy, okay? So I'm just going to click on this one right here, and it brings up this video right here. I'm going to turn up the sound.
Been your worst nice guy experience? A long time ago, a guy in my group project insisted on driving me home afterwards because he didn't want me.
So you can see here, it's just literally a story, a Reddit story, and then there's a robotic voice talking, okay? So it's really easy to do. Anyone can do this. It takes a little bit of work. Like you can probably do this in about 30 minutes to an hour. I'm sure you can get really fast at it, okay? But I just want to show you there's a ton of people doing this. And let me see here. This one just posted 18 hours ago, and it's already got 6,000 views. 12 hours ago, 5,000 views. 2 days ago, 40,000 views. Like people like these videos. So, let's go ahead and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this. Okay. So first of all, this specific channel right here, Storytime with Red, I brought it up on, if you go to socialblade.com, you can see the estimated earnings of this channel. And you can see here about $38,000 per month, which is just insane. Okay. And this is just an estimate. If you estimate my earnings, it actually shows like $30 a day. I actually make a lot more than that on YouTube earnings. So this could be a lot more. Okay. But let's just say $38,000 a month. That's a lot of money, guys. So obviously it takes time to grow your channel, but if you don't want to get on video, this is a great way to start getting a YouTube channel up and running. Okay. So you can see here, Storytime with Reddit. That's basically how much they're making. Okay. Now, the way you do this is, let's just go to reddit.com. All right. So there's if you've ever been on Reddit, it's kind of like a forum website, but we're going to type in confessions. Okay. And this is where we find our stories, and there's unlimited stories you can do. So we're just going to type in confession, and it's going to bring up this group of confession of stories that we can see here. Okay. Now what you can do is, I typically like to go to top, and then it gives you the top stories for today. So you can either take the top stories of the day. You can take, if you switch this to this week, you can see the top stories of the week. So let's just see what we have here. So let's just see. I still abandon food from communal fridges at work. So, I mean, we can definitely go with that. Like I said, I usually go with the top story because a lot of people, obviously it did well on Reddit. So this will probably do well on YouTube. So what we do here is you can click on this little story here, and then so this one is not very long. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to look for a longer one, something that we can have like a whole YouTube video. Okay. So I'm just going to go to top story this month, and hopefully we can find a video or a story that's long. Let's just see this one right here. I hid weed in the principal's office and somehow didn't get caught. Okay. So this is a pretty long video, or a pretty long story. So what we can do, here is we can just screenshot. So whatever screenshot tool you want to use, I use snipping tool. And you can start taking pictures of these little snippets here, okay? So like you know, I'll do like a sentence at a time or 2 sentences at a time, okay? So we'll do that, and I'll start creating these clips, okay? So you can create a ton of pictures, just like we showed you here inside this video here, right? You can see it's clip by clip, and someone is talking, a robotic voice is talking. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, right? So you basically clip every sentence, and then now that you do that, you have to have someone read it, right? So you can do it yourself if you want. You can hire a professional, but if you want to do it for free, guys, you can just go to this website here, tsreader.com. You can literally just, you know, if you took a snippet of this first couple paragraphs here, you would just copy that, okay, and then copy that into here. And then you can have a voice talk. You know, you can have a U.S. English, you can have Indonesia, you can have English, UK female. Let's see. Let's see.
16 and a sophomore in high school.
Let me pause this real quick. I forgot I'm still playing this one here. Okay, so yeah, so you can go back here. Let me go to TS Reader.
I was 16 and a sophomore in high school. One of the security guards caught me slipping and took me to the...
So yeah, so it'll read it for you. You can change the voice, whatever you want to do, right? So what you do is you have all these video clips. You have, you have all these photo clips of the words, and then you have the recording read it for you, and then you just put it together in a video. And I'll show you exactly how to do this. But basically from here, you just want to record it, and then you're creating these little clips, okay? So you create the picture clips, you create the audio clips, and then now all we got to do is put some sound to it, right? We want to make it a complete video. So we just go to YouTube Audio Library on Google, and then from here, this is all music you can use. It's uncopyrighted music, right? So you can use this music and you can put it on your YouTube videos absolutely free. You don't have to worry about copyright issues, anything like that, all right? So really, really easy. You can change this by whatever type of music you want to use. There's different genres here, you know, depending on the story, right? If it's a creepy story, if it's like a happy story, whatever it is, right? You can just pick whatever you want to use. And then as far as putting the music together, putting the whole video together, there's a website called openshot.org. It's a free tool that lets you put videos together. So you can do this whole method absolutely free, guys. This is like literally the best. Like if you just put a little bit of work into it, like you can create a very successful channel. I mean, you can see if we go back, there's a ton of channels doing this, right? And you can see that people actually watch these videos. This one here, Reddit Jar, 14,000 views. People watch these videos, and you have unlimited content because there's so many stories every single day you can find on reddit.com, right? I'm sure you can find other forums with different stories. So the content is unlimited. It's all about the hard work that you put into it, right? So that's what I would do if you're looking to make money online, especially passive, right? Once you get this going, you make a ton of ad revenue, and that's basically what you do to copy and paste videos to make a passive income online. Now, what I do, guys, is I do affiliate marketing, right? I have a YouTube channel and I promote products that I highly recommend. And, you know, if you're looking to start affiliate marketing, you know, kind of create that passive income, do what I did. There's a link in the description below. It takes you to a 15-day challenge that walks you through step by step how to start an online business from beginning to end, right? This is different from like YouTube ad revenue. So I make ad revenue on my YouTube channel, but the real money that I make is from affiliate marketing. You can do this from anything. Even if you have like this Reddit story YouTube channel, you can make money as an affiliate. Now, there's obviously a lot that goes into it. It's not as easy as it sounds. A lot of people make it really, you know, make it sound like it's just make money overnight. Definitely not going to happen. But if you want to learn how to do it, there's a $7 15-day challenge in the first link in the description, guys. It'll take you through the whole challenge, teach you how to start an online business from beginning to end. So I hope this video was of value to you guys. If you guys found any value in this video, please subscribe to the channel. Hit me a like, hit me a comment. Let me know if you guys have any questions at all, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. We'll talk soon. God bless.